Hi guys, welcome back to Shaving with Francis, and this is an unexpected video kasi tomorrow aalis kami ng family ko. We're going to Manila. Para dun sa hindi nakakaalam, I live in Cagayan de Oro. Magsishave ako talaga, no, before the trip. Pero meron kasi akong bagong razor na gustong-gusto ko nang gamitin, and then pinag-iisipan ko kung gagamitin ko na ba siya, hindi na lang ako hindi ko na lang i-document, no, pero parang sabi ko i-document ko na. We'll do a first impressions, okay? Normally kasi kung naisip ko kasi gumawa ng when I started this channel, nag-isip ako about making product reviews. Ngayon, sa product reviews kasi gusto ko sana magamit ko yung product, especially yung mga shavers, ng a couple of times, no, before I make my conclusion or decisions. So today will just be a first impression, okay? And ang ating first first impression natin is this. This is the Yintal adjustable razor, okay? So this is, yung handle niya is made out of brass, and then yung head is made out of zinc alloy. So this is very hefty, medyo may weight siya, maganda. I really like the weight. So yeah, gusto kong dalhin kasi to sa trip namin para makilala ko siya. Okay, so ano ba yung mga first things na na-observe ko dito? I did an unboxing, parang very quick unboxing netong product na to, pero it was with other products, so parang hindi siya ganun ka-detailed, no? Pero sasabihin ko sa inyo, actually makikita nyo doon sa isang video, maybe maglalagay ako dito ng link kung gusto nyo puntahan yun. Pero anyway, yung initial impression ko dito, right out of the box, guys, napakahirap i-turn nung knob, no? Napakahirap. And then may mga things na kailangan kang maintindihan. First of all, in order for you to open this fully, kailangan nasa maximum ka na setting. Kung hindi, nabablock siya ng ibang parts eh. So para hindi mablock yung doors, nung base plate yata, yung base plate niya nabablock tong pag naka-setting 1 kasi malapit yung base niya, no, sa doors. So para kailangan mo siya ilayo. So you have to be at the maximum setting, pinaka-aggressive supposed to be, bago mo mabuksan yan. So anyway, nung na-realize ko yun, hindi ko na lang na-document, pero nilagyan ko to ng, actually lahat naman ng razors ko, lahat nilalagyan ko ng mineral oil to lubricate, no? Kahit yung mga 3-piece razors, no, nalalagyan ko talaga yan. Especially itong mga butterfly style. And ito pala is actually my first adjustable razor. So lalo na to, talagang nilagyan ko siya, nilubricate ko. Okay, so that's one, no. Out of the box, matigas na matigas siya. So you have to lubricate this, and then in order to put on your blade, and for the doors to open at its maximum, kailangan nasa maximum setting ka para mag-open siya all the way, malagay natin yung blade. Now, isa pang nakita ko dito, napansin ko, by the way, hindi ko pa ito nasi-shave, this is the first time na mag-shave tayo with this razor. Isa pa dito, guys, is pag clinose nyo to, so maximum tayo, di ba? Maximum, kasi buksan natin siya, lagyan natin ng blade, kunyari, close natin, no? Pag clinose nyo na mahigpit, okay, tapos punta tayo, let's say, number 1. Punta tayo sa number 1. Okay, smooth na siya, no? Smooth na siya, guys, kasi nilubricate na natin eh. Maganda yung niya, hindi siya masyadong maluwag, no? Hindi rin masyadong masikip, tama-tama lang. Okay? So yan, guys, pag sinikipan nyo to ng sobrang sikip, tapos nilagay nyo sa number 1, okay lang. So yung ilalim, yung base plate, aangat na, no? Para maging mild. Ngayon, pag bumalik kayo bigla ng maximum, okay, may tendency to na yung plate niya hindi bababa. Kasi parang nagkakaipitan sila ng base plate tsaka nung doors neto, no? Pero pag sobrang higpit, so kung bibili kayo nito, tatansyahin nyo lang ano ba yung enough na higpit na secure siya, at the same time um, magagalaw nyo to, no? So isasample lang ko kayo guys, ha, kasi medyo may oil pa siya konti, so hindi ko siya talaga nahihigpitan. I think mahigpit enough to hold the blade. Okay, so yan, inigpitan ko na siya. So nasa max siya, lalagay ko siya ngayon sa number 1. Okay, ngayon mahirap siya eh. Mahirap siyang ilagay sa number 1 pag masyadong masikip. Now, ibabalik ako sa max. Galing na ako sa number 1, babalik ako sa max. Yan, makikita nyo bigla, maluwag. Wala siyang grip, no? Tapos naiiwan yung plate sa taas. Kasi parang aangat yung base plate, tapos magla-lock siya, no, sa door. Tapos pag binaba mo na pag maximum na mo na ulit yung setting, hindi na siya bababa. Pwede mo naman siya itulak, no? So, wag lang masyadong masikip. Tamang sikip lang para maging secure. Kailangan yung paglaruan, kailangan yung tansyahin. You have to get to know your razor para yun. Basically, yun lang yung medyo kailangan yung intindihin. But I don't think it's a deal breaker. Guys, nabili ko to. Ifa-flash ko dito kung magkano ko nabili. Nakalimutan ko na kasi. Pero discounted siya eh. For this color, black and chrome, compared mo dun sa ibang colors, sobrang parang kalahati yata yung presyo. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero ito yung mura. Kaya binili ko na rin. Tapos okay din naman yung color niya, no? Gusto ko rin naman. Very classic looking. So yun lang, no guys. Again, kailangan naka-maximum setting para mabuksan mo yung doors. Tapos you have to lubricate it, and then also when you tighten the razor, tamang tighten lang, tansyahin nyo kung ano yung it's tight enough na ma-hold siya, but at the same time hindi magla-lock up yung base plate no, yung adjustment nyo, no, kung masyado masikip. Okay, so for now, for some reason guys, baka nagpapakitang gilas yata to sa camera kasi ngayon hindi siya nasa stock eh. Hindi siya nasa stock. Okay, so quick shave lang tayo guys. First impressions, focus lang ako dito sa ating Yintal adjustable razor. Okay, so ang brush natin ngayon is the Simpsons Trafalgar T3 with Sovereign Fiber. Yan. Okay, and then actually hindi pa ako nakaka-decide ng shave soap natin. Ano kaya magandang gamitin? Old Spice. Okay, Old Spice to. And then ano pa ba? Yun lang, no? Mag pre-shave na rin tayo with Dollar Shave Club. Pre-shave natin. And then, gamitin natin tong Elegance Aftershave. Ang fragrance niya is Earth. This is a gel type of aftershave. Hindi siya yung alcohol niya is not as strong as your typical aftershave. Medyo mild siya konti. So, let's try this one. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay guys, for our blade, gagamit tayo ng Bic. Okay, first use, hindi ko pa po ito nagamit. Okay guys, so since this is my first shave with this razor, pupunta ako sa let's go with number 4. Kasi meron siyang setting 1 up to 7 and then merong max. So let's say 8. So pumunta ako sa gitna, number 4. When I use my Rockwell 6S, may 6 ano yun adjustments. Nasa number 4 ako. Dati 3, tapos naging 4. So, ngayon 4 tayo. Let's try it. Okay, the last time, napapansin ko, actually, hanggang kanina, yung ini-introduce ko yung products, nagmamadali ako. So, I need to learn how to relax and just take my time. Kasi, pag wala namang camera, I really take my time. Especially when I lather. It's good to take your time pag naglalather kayo ng cream or soap. Look at that! Actually, ako guys, yung itong Old Spice, hindi ako fan ng scent. Hindi rin naman ako, I don't find it bad. Okay, hindi naman siya mabaho. Mabango naman siya, pero hindi siya yung number one choice ko for the fragrance. Amoy siyang very powdery. Very barbershop-like. Very powdery, ganun. Powder and soap. For me yan ang impression ko sa kanya. Pero performance-wise, guys, this is very good. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. So again, naglagay muna tayo ng Dollar Shave Club shaving butter as pre-shave, and then now, mag-apply na tayo ng Old Spice shaving cream. Wow. Parang ang tagal ko nang hindi ginamit tong shaving cream na to. And nakalimutan ko kung gaano pala siya kaganda. Look at that. Alright. That's a good, very good lather. Okay. Light touch lang tayo. Light touch because I don't know kung gaano to ka-aggressive. Okay. We are at setting number 4. Let's try it. Okay. Initial impressions, although wala ako masyadong hair dito, meron siyang blade feel, pero suabe. Suabe yung blade feel niya. But let's go. Let's move on. Oops. I got a little bit excited there. Medyo parang may nag-catch. Wow. Okay. So far, so good. Wow, guys. It feels very smooth. Suabe siya. Suabe siya. I'm happy kasi pag hinawakan nyo to, yung weight niya, parang quality talaga siya eh. It doesn't feel cheap. And then now, na-smooth siya. I'm very happy. Okay, let's try this area. Kung saan yung marami kong facial hair. Okay guys, it's very smooth. I think 4 is good. Pero itry ko pang to go to number 5. Let's go to number 5. Okay. We're at number 5. Di ko alam kung nakikita nyo yan. Basta ako number 5. Okay. Okay, na-feel ko yung difference ng 4 and 5. This feels more aggressive. Pero ano pa rin, pero what's this? Manageable. Okay, dito sa sensitive area, again, nasa number 5 tayo ngayon. Maybe pag nandito ako sa area na to, I'll go for number 4. Kasi, although kaya naman siya number 5. Pero, mas smooth lang yung number 4. Pero, ituloy ko na siya for the shave. Number 5. Presence of mind lang to let the razor do the work. Okay guys, first pass. I'm very impressed. Guys, I think kung gusto ko mag one pass shave lang, I think number 5 is good kung one pass lang. Kasi dito sa mustache area, okay lang siya eh. Pero dito, I think ito number 4, pwede na, pero I think mas maganda kung mas closer pa siya. So, di ko alam, number 4, number 5. But so far, it's smooth, which for me is very important. Priority ko talaga is smoothness, and then second is efficiency. Okay, second pass. Should I go back to number 4? Next time magsha-shave naman tayo number 6. Ay, number 7. Ay, ano ba tayo? 5 tayo, 'di ba? Nakakatakot to go higher than 5. Next time. Next time we'll go to number 5. Ano ba 'yan? Next time, let's go with number 6 and up next time. But I think guys, kung gagamit ako ng 6 and 5, kailangan mahaba yung facial hair ko. Eh yung facial hair ko ngayon guys is only like a day and a half or kailan ba ako nag-shave? Parang 2 days ago pa lang. So, hindi pa siya ganun kahaba eh. Siguro yung 6 and 5 mga dapat 6 and up. Siguro dapat mga ano yan, longer than 5 days worth of hair growth. So, you know what? Pagpatuloy natin yung yung setting number 5. Okay guys, napansin ko for 1 or 2 days na hair growth, pwede na yung 4. I'll go back to number 4. You know what? Sensitive area to eh. So let's try number 3. Okay, I'm going against the grain, tapos this is a sensitive part, so let's try number 3. In my personal opinion, number 3 or 4, okay na for 1 or 2 days worth of hair growth. Kasi, yung nag-number 5 ako, parang it's a little bit much. Kasi konti lang ng hair ko eh, hindi pa ganun kahaba eh. So, napersa siya. So, okay na ako no? Okay na ako sa second pass. Mag-aano na lang ako, touch up. Pero I'm going to use number 3 for touch up. So that's a good discovery guys. So hindi ko gagamitin yung setting 5 unless maybe 3 to 4 days na akong hindi nagsishave. Pero for 1 or 2 days, 3 and 4 is okay. Actually, just like the Rockwell. Yung Rockwell, minsan lang, trinay ko lang siya mag 5 and 6. Mas swabe yun. Pero, sinubukan ko lang yung 5 and 6 and then I never tried it again. Kasi okay na talaga ako sa number 4. Even with the feather blade, okay yung number 4 sa 6S ng Rockwell. So parang ganito rin, I guess, no? If I would compare it, I'll make a video comparing Rockwell 6S and this one, the Yintal adjustable. I think the Rockwell is still smoother, but you know, if this is your first adjustable, I think okay na okay. Especially with the price. Sabihin na natin yung price nito nasa mga 400 plus, almost 500. Ito discounted Yung ibang model nito, maabot na mga 800 or 1,000. Let's just say 1,000. Okay pa rin. Okay pa din. Yun nga lang, no? Just take note of the yung first few observations ko. Okay pa rin siya. Okay, tapusin na natin. Okay guys, napapansin ko yung amplifier ng mic ko nawawalan ng battery kasi nga hindi ako nag-ready for the shave, no. To impromptu video to. So tatapusin ko na dito yung video guys, no, just in case mamatay na talaga yung audio ko. Sorry guys for that. But guys, take note lang dun sa mga sinabi ko nung before I use this, no. Yun lang. Pero guys, I think I'll be bringing this with me sa trip namin to get to know it better para malaman ko yung tansya at saka ano ba talaga yung setting. But I think 3 and 4 for 1 to 2 days worth of hair growth is just the right setting for me. Again, for me. Kasi, magkakaiba naman tayo ng facial hair and face shape and skin. So yan, for me, 3 and 4 should be my daily, setting. Um, yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very happy with this. First impressions, approve. Okay, very good shaver. And guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.